First and foremost, I want to use this opportunity to congratulate my daddy for life, Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I want to use this opportunity to congratulate you because you are a man of the word, you're a man of vision, and thus I want to use this opportunity to thank Governor Hope Uzodinma and also thank my auntie, my original auntie, Adaji, love warrior naturally. You know, meeting you was one of the greatest things in my life, mommy. You are, today I was listening to my daddy's speech. I overheard him when he was, telling how everything happened, how you decided to say, no. You cannot allow this good thing to slide out of Imo State. Thank you so much. So congratulations to my daddy, Evangelist Ebuka Obi, who I'm well pleased, a man that I love with all my heart, a man that I love unconditionally, a man that I have undiluted love for. Daddy, thank you so very much. May you live long. May God bless you massively. Let me tell all of you now about my daddy. You guys should learn from him. You guys should at least learn from Odogu, a man that speak. Uwanina ne shaky. The good honor. Oshini hege mena Imo State. Na Anambra State that is coming, which we are aware of what is happening. But for those of you that you were telling at the timeline now, this one is just a tip of iceberg. Anambra, where I come from, when they get here, I'm ready. Imo State, my maternal home, we are happy, we appreciate you, we are so thankful to have a man like you in our life. Daddy, you are the great and the greatest. We love you and we keep on loving you. Mind you turn on the fight you want to start. The reason when you turn on some can you begin a new words one ka. Kikiri kana buku esati ari elu. Ashigi abaro change de kurunge da wo. Ashi whether you like it or not, ega mwanyeri like happy to you before you cross. Daddy, thank you so very much for the wonderful initiative you brought to Owerri, Imo State, and all part of eastern parts. You have, my brother, Asha Akurulo one of Igbo, Chimbozire Muge. May you live long, my daddy. I love you so dearly. You are you are the most intelligent, brilliant, handsome, energetic. Which other word do I need to use and describe you? Daddy, you are great. May God bless you. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Also, Governor Hope Uzodinma, thank you for making this thing so possible. Because without you and Adaji Obode, Wani kachachi bela, ahwanya hobo gwimia. Ofu baji ane mo flow do. Atakata. I don't want to. Mommy, thank you so very much for your help, for your contribution to this wonderful movement that our daddy brought in Imo State. Thank you. Our motherless babies don't say it. Everything does it. And this is exactly what I've been saying. This is exactly my inspiration. This is what I want to do with my NGO as well. Build a place one day where God I've been preaching this. Why can't our people do more? I need the more of Ebuka Obi. I want something in him. That's why I stood by him. And I will still stand by him. And I will still to eternity. This guy, Daddy, you deserve it, man. You deserve a round of ovation. You deserve every good thing. May God bless you. May God bless you. Like this, Fakucha, they must agree. Mataya says, the more you talk, the grace supersedes all this Reverend Father na about my daddy war. Who never sees the time? The Reverend Sister Hara. Reverend Father Potarane. This. Who never sees on grace? On grace no reach. He is a chosen one, and he has been chosen. Whether you like it or not, he is moving forward. There is nothing, absolutely nothing. And all this chan bloggers and Ebuka Obi, I don't say I don't go carry this one. I don't say all of you will not carry this one because some of you guys are amusus. But I don't know why you guys did not carry this. You guys should try and carry this once. Guys, let me tell all of you. Nde Zion. You know when I call you guys Nde Zion, I have my reason. Nde Zion. When I make videos like this, share it, broadcast the news. Ebuka Obi is the everlasting person I can worship at this place. So, actually, on your face is Ruya. On your face is Ruya. You want to go? Respect here. Do you think they just respect is reciprocal? You want to go? Oh no, this kind of video you share it. Always share it. It doesn't matter. So, Daddy, thank you so much. I love you. You know I love you. You know my love for you is unconditional. You know I love you. Your matter I carry on for him. See, you love you.